Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Unit 3 of Sociology, Social Stratification and Inequality. In this unit, we'll explore the systems and structures that shape our societies and deeply impact individuals' lives. You will gain insight into the types of inequality and the sociological tools we use to understand them. Here we go. Understanding social stratification in societies. Social stratification refers to the structured ranking of groups of people based on wealth, power, race, and education. We'll distinguish between open societies, which allows mobility, and closed societies, where your position is determined at birth. This foundational knowledge is key to understanding the social order. Differences in life chances, education and employment. Coined by Max Weber, life chances are the opportunities people have to improve their quality of life. Here we'll explore how age, gender, ethnicity and class affect access to education and employment. From systematic barriers in school to limited job opportunities, inequality persists across many fronts. Differences in life chances, health, housing, and life expectancy. Let's dive in how social inequality shapes our health and living conditions. Lower socioeconomic groups face higher rates of illness and limited healthcare access. Housing inequality influences safety and stability, while life expectancy varies dramatically by race, income, and education, showing inequalities' lifelong effects. So we can observe in our surrounding and society how each group and each factor is affecting the life expectancy of the people around. Intersectionality of inequality. Introduced by Kimball Crenshaw, intersectionality explains how multiple identities such as gender, class, and race interact to create layered experiences of privilege or oppressions. We'll see that inequality is rarely caused by a single factor but rather the interaction of many. Now here we are having the perspective of different sociological approaches. I have already shared a video before about the perspectives of other people or other sociologists they are having and those theories they are having with them. So three major sociological theories explain inequality. The functionalist view sees inequality as necessary to motivate ambition. Conflict theory attributes inequality to power, struggles and exploitation. Symbolic interactionism examines how our daily interactions reinforce inequality. Legislation and welfare states in reducing inequality. Governments often intervene through legislation and welfare systems, anti-discrimination laws, affirmation action, healthcare and housing programs aim to reduce inequality and expand life chances. We'll assess how these initiatives work to create a more equitable society for the people around. Here we are having the role of non-governmental organizations, NGOs. They bridge the gap when states fall apart or fall short. They provide relief, advocate for marginalized voices, and empower communities in areas such as education, health, and economic development, becoming crucial agents of change. Global inequality, migration, and ecological issues. If we can see the inequality in our society, similarly, this inequality and stratification having a global perspective and a global platform as well. Let's see that how this global inequality is exacerbating the society. Inequality transcends borders. We'll explore how global migration, often forced by war or climate crisis, creates new vulnerabilities. Climate change and resource depletion hit developing countries hardest, exacerbating existing disparities and demanding global action. So in the conclusion, finally we'll evaluate the effectiveness of these strategies discussed from laws and NGOs to global initiatives. While progress is evident, vast disparities remain. Understanding the challenges ahead is essential for striving towards true social inequality. This is the basic concept of social stratification and inequality on the global spectrum and our society's spectrum as well. If you want to see more videos related to the subtopics of the chapter, kindly like, subscribe and share, and if you have any suggestion, any query, drop in the comment box. Follow for more.